Love you, new away.
I know, Papa. And I love you anyway.
What you just saw, all was created by an AI with a single prompt. No need to write the story, create the storyboard, and animate the whole film. Just enter an idea, and your animated video is ready. And all of this is possible with a platform called Anijam AI. In this video, I will share the full workflow with you. So if you want to create your own animation channel, hit the subscribe button, and let's dive in. Okay, if you don't know about Anijam AI, let me introduce you. Anijam is a specialist animation maker workflow builder created by Design AI. Before, it was called Ani Studio. If you are new, click on the link in the description and then create your account. You will get 500 free joining credits, and it will give you 100 free credits every day, so you can explore it for free. Okay, once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. This is the prompt box. Here, you have to enter your idea and prompt to create the video. At the bottom, you will find some example videos you can take inspiration from here. Alright, let's create our video. Now, if you enter a prompt like an emotional story of a father and daughter, you will end up with an average video with no control in your hand. So I will suggest using a very detailed prompt like this. You can see I entered the story title, story theme, story idea, the overall storyline. After that, the story settings refer to where the video will take place. In the end, mention how many characters you need. The rest of the prompt is a template. You don't need to change anything. Now copy the full prompt and paste it into the Anijam prompt box. Now you can attach assets or images here. Once everything is set, hit the send button. Now, Anijam AI will analyze the prompt and build a plan for the video. First, it will create the story outline. Once the story outline is ready, it will come up with 3 storyboard plan options. First, the AI director mode. If you want to create the final video by following the prompt, use the AI director mode. You will just give the command, and the agent will create the video. Next, the workflow mode. If you need full control in your hand and want to move ahead step by step, the workflow mode is for you. If you are an expert in storyboarding and prompting, I suggest going with workflow mode. And in the end, we have Oscar mode. If you want to turn any basic idea into a master level video, then this option is for you. If you are not an expert but want the best result, then this Oscar mode is for you. I am selecting the Oscar mode. You can see that the Oscar mode is backed by Seedance 2.0. Okay, now we have to set some settings. First, the audience. I'll set this to all ages, but pick whatever fits your content. Platform, YouTube in this case. You can also pick TikTok or others. Aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube. Standard widescreen. Duration, I'm going to set this to 1.5 minutes. And yes, you can go up to 30 minutes on this platform, which is wild. Hit confirm. And let's keep moving. Now, on the left side, you'll see the full story outline the AI has already generated. Characters, scene breakdowns, locations, everything. It's surprisingly detailed. Before we jump ahead, we need to choose a visual style. This basically defines how your entire video will look. Go ahead and click on Style Design. You'll see a style library pop up with tons of options. 3D, anime, sketch, realistic, pixel, cinematic. A lot to explore here. I'm going with the Pixie Pop 3D style. The next step is concept design. Click into that and you'll see all the key elements lined up. Character ideas, objects, environments. Now just hit Generate All Concepts. What the AI is doing here is creating visual references for everything, every character, object, and location in your story. This step is super important because it locks in the look of your characters, so they stay consistent across every scene. And there you go. It's already generated the characters and related objects. Everything now has a clear visual reference. If you want to tweak anything, a character, an object, or even a location, you can just ask the agent to customize it for you. Okay, as all the assets are ready, I will just hit the Continue to Video Generation button from here. Now the agent will analyze the script, scene, and assets and create a video plan for us. You can see the plan here. Anijam plans a total of 4 scenes, 8 segments, all with Seedance 2.0. Now here you can see 2 options, generate step-by-step or generate all the video clips. I think step-by-step will be better. And here it is. You can see that the agent assigned Seedance 2.0 to generate the first segment of all the scenes. Seedance 2.0 is generating 4 video clips in parallel. Okay, all the video clips are ready. Now you can review the video clips from here. If you find any issues, you can fix them. Once you are satisfied with the result, continue to the next batch of video clips. And here it is. All the video clips are ready. 8 segments, 4 scenes, 109 seconds of animation. Dialogue generated, sound effects added, background music included. The AI literally just handed you a complete animated short film. Take a moment to preview the clips. Click through and just make sure everything looks good to you. If anything feels off, you can always go back and regenerate a specific scene. Okay, all of the assets are ready. Now click on the Add Media to Timeline button here. The agent will now stitch all the assets and make the final video. And here it is, the final video is ready. Now if you click here, the timeline mode will open. This gives you a clean, linear view of all your clips. Just like a real video editor, you can clearly see how your video flows from start to finish, scene by scene. You'll also notice the option to add captions here. I highly recommend turning this on, especially for YouTube and social media. It makes your content more engaging and accessible for a wider audience. Now, if you want to do any manual edits, like trimming clips or rearranging scenes, you can use the timeline right here. But honestly, in most cases, the AI already does a solid job. So let's go ahead and export. Click on Advanced Export. Here are the settings I recommend. Type Video. Format MP4. Resolution 1080p, clean and sharp. FPS 30 frames per second, perfect for standard videos. Codec H.264, widely supported across platforms. Include audio. Make sure this is turned on. Now hit export and give it a few moments to process. And done. Your animated video is ready to go.
You're worthless. You can't do anything right. Yonamru stirring the stipe, then you guy doesn't fight.
Love you, new away.
I know, Papa. And I love you anyway.
And that's literally it. That's all it takes to create a full AI animated video using Anijam AI. One prompt, a few clicks, and you've got a complete animated short with characters, dialogue, music, everything. So go ahead, head over to Anijam AI, sign up for free, grab your daily credits, and start creating. I've also dropped the master prompt in the description. Just copy it, tweak it with your own story idea, and follow the steps you just saw. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more tutorials like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll see you in the next one.